As many of us will spend the next few weeks shopping, there are plenty of other Ohioans still simply struggling to get by. COVID-19 has led to a surge in unemployment numbers, placing a financial burden on many families, including foster families, some of whom are now suing the state for financial assistance they say they're owed. Here's Chief Investigative Reporter Bennett Haberly.
As we spend this week counting our blessings, there are countless Ohio families out there counting on loose change, living off of savings.
I had to quit my job to take care of my grandkids. It was either me or foster care.
Ken DeWeese quit his job at Honda to take on a new role as foster parent to his grandkids.
Both of the parents have issues. This is actually the second time that they were taken away. The first time, they were fortunate enough to stay with family.
Ken told me he couldn't live with the idea of his grandkids living with strangers in a licensed foster family, but his choice means he's living off his 401k and can't get unemployment.
I'm basically kind of on an island with this circumstance because it's kind of forced upon you, and it's nothing you can really prepare for.
Other kinship foster families are now suing the state of Ohio, seeking out the financial assistance they claim they are owed, money intended to cover the cost of food, clothing, shelter, and other needs of the children.
That's what this suit is about. Ohio's not following law, has not made these payments to the relatives on behalf of the child.
Richard Daugherty is an attorney who filed this lawsuit in federal court, alleging that the state of Ohio has refused to comply with the law and provide kinship foster families with the financial assistance they are entitled to.
Every day that goes by that these relatives are not getting the money that federal government says they should have for the care of the child on behalf of the child, those children suffer because they don't get everything that they truly need, especially at the most critical time of their lives. They've just been abused. They've come from we can't imagine with the trauma that they've faced.
Federal law requires that they support those families equally, and that's not happening in Ohio. So
Stephanie Person is an attorney with the advocacy group Children's Rights. The lawsuit spells out how licensed foster families receive a daily per diem for each foster child, while relative foster homes, like the one Ken DeWeese has, are directed to apply for other public benefits, which provide a fraction of the financial support provided by the foster care maintenance payments.
The state has said that they are going to address this issue. They're clearly very aware of the Sixth Circuit Glisson opinion saying that this is legally required, and yet nothing's happened.
So what is the explanation? Why are other states paying these financial benefits when Ohio isn't? Well, the Ohio Department of Job and Family Services has said in past statements that it was working on this, but when I reached out this week, a spokesman would only say that they are aware of the lawsuit and that they don't comment on active litigation.
While the state will eventually have to reply in court, it leaves families like Ken DeWeese having to lean on savings.
We're supposed to take care of our own. That's what our tax dollars are for. So, just hear the other stories, and you understand why. There are a lot of people out there that need help that are in a situation that is not of their making.
Bennett Haberly, 10 TV News.